I'm not dead yet, by the way, that I get to live.
Former Diamond Dog coach Mike Batesole reminding us he's not dead just yet, just thankful for the kind words this morning as he and his former star player Aaron Judge celebrate their jersey retirements. In a day that honored two Diamond Dog legends, both refused to take any individual credit for their efforts. Batesole, a national champion, Judge, an American League MVP. But rather than talking accolades, it was all about family, friends, and team, as the two are now immortalized in Fresno State history.
It's so much not about winning baseball games. That's the product of it. It's the power of we. Neither one of us gets to do what we do without solid family, solid community.
Share this special honor with, one of the greatest college coaches of all time is, something that my family and I truly will cherish the rest of our lives. And like you said, just the hard work that gets put in on a daily basis behind the scenes that people don't see. It's tough to put into words what this means, and getting a chance to share it with Coach Batesole makes it, that much special.
Following the press conference, fans greeted Judge and Batesole at Pete Beiden Field, where the two saw their numbers officially retired, reminiscing on their time as Diamond Dogs.
Once I came here and spent a couple of years here, what I really learned was what made this place so special was the people. The staff, my teammates, the alumni, the coaching staff, and you fans showing up in numbers, the dugout clubs showing us support on a daily basis.
That's who today's about. It's not about 44. It's about those who love me to this podium, those who love you to your podium. I miss you all a lot. Go Dogs.
The jerseys are now the 12th and 13th to be retired in program history. During Batesole's 20 years, the two-time National Coach of the Year produced 89 MLB draft picks, including the Yankees captain himself.